I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you found your Instagram page suspended, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any messages from Instagram regarding the suspension. They often send an email explaining the reason for the action taken against your account. Step 2. Appeal the suspension. Follow the instructions in the email to appeal the suspension. If you didn't receive an email, you can still appeal directly through the app by selecting Learn More when prompted. Step 3. Provide necessary information. Fill out the appeal form with accurate details. Be honest and concise about your account usage and why you believe the suspension is a mistake. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take several days for Instagram to review your case and respond. Make sure to check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up if needed. If you don't hear back after a week, consider submitting another appeal. Sometimes persistence can pay off, but ensure you re-following Instagram's guidelines to avoid further issues. I hope these steps help you get your Instagram page back up and running. Good luck!